Hi, everyone. If you want to enable floating windows on your Redmi 17C and use apps in mini window mode, this video is exactly what you need today. I'll show you step by step how to enable floating window on Redmi 17C and where to find floating window. Settings quickly and easily. This feature is very useful for multitasking because it allows you to open apps like WhatsApp, YouTube, or calculator in small movable windows while using other apps.